everybody! Today I received more stuff. Everything's coming in slowly, but it's understandable because of COVID-19. International shipping, or even shipping in general, is just slow, and we all just have to understand. And I just wanted to take this time to say thank you to all healthcare workers, because you're doing an amazing job and I totally appreciate you. And yeah, maybe I'm just happy because I received my package. I don't know, but I am very appreciative. A lot of us buyers need to understand, or people that are shopaholics like me, need to understand that COVID-19 equipment is way more important than the packages we receive. Honestly, hold my package for a couple of weeks, because people do need that equipment and it's really important. So thank you to our healthcare workers, and you're awesome. So let's get started. Wow. It didn't even come on time, but okay, let us see what I purchased. Yes, I got two of them, one for my husband and one for me. What did I purchase? What did I purchase, you say? Of course, I'll try the small one. Comes in this beautiful box, and I purchased, ta-da! So I got that mask. Comes with a nice little dust bag. Very cute. As you can see, come with the box. And that's all. Drawstring, nice quality dust bag. So let's look at this. Oh my god. There. Let's look at this mask. So everyone saw this on Instagram with this like crazy guy in his crazy sports car, rocking it like he is the anyway. So let us see now. Wow, it is a more warm color canvas. It looks like this. It is shaped, or it is kind of like, you see, sewn, stitched here. There is the stitching. I ordered this like last month. Again, due to COVID-19, you shall expect things to be slow. There is the inside. Okay, so the moment of truth. Let us just try this on. Okay. Very nice. What y'all think? Oh my god, it was so worth the wait. I have to admit, the small fits me perfectly. It's a little loose, but I got a small face. You can see how it fits. And let's see if canvas matches one of my bags. Okay. Oh, this moment. I think it's good enough. Yes, this way. Rock it like that. And have the mask moment. My hair's getting stuck. So, I think this is a winner. It's really comfortable. I can breathe. And it is so cute. Oh my god. And it's kind of like a scuba gear type moment. You can see it does match the canvas a bit. I think it does. So that is a plus. Now let's look at the hubby. For those of you who care, this, like, yeah, I wouldn't want to wear a lot of lipstick or makeup. Oh, my hair. I wouldn't want to wear a lot of mixed up. I wouldn't want to wear a lot of lipstick. I wouldn't want to wear a lot of lipstick or face makeup. Maybe just do your eyes up or something, but I suggest not, because you don't want to mess it up. Well, I don't want to mess mine up. If you want to mess yours up, then by all means. I wonder if you just leave it on your ear. Hey, it looks like a beard. Like, looks like I have a Louis Vuitton beard. Okay, let's look at my husband. It's a medium because his face is obviously bigger than mine. And it comes in the same Louis Vuitton just bag. And here is his. Also comes with the, you know, these things. I always forget what they are. Packet to keep it fresh. And it's a medium size, and it should fit his face. It's bigger. Yes, it's bigger than mine. And we have a matchy moment. I think they're the same color. Yes. They're very flexible, you can see. So that's really awesome. Yeah. That's all I purchased, folks. If you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic evil twin items, I DIY, I do comparisons, I love to talk fashion and style. If you like talking fashion and style, please DM me on my Instagram at tcp_luxury. Please subscribe and like and subscribe. Either way, there's no order to it, just like one of them. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And I'll see you soon. Stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones from afar. So love you all. Bye.